the Morning Market Minute, UPBOptionMillionaires.com on this May 13, 2015. It's a Wednesday. Stock futures are up modestly here this morning, but the market is playing out. It's like deja vu all over again, as Yogi Berra would say, who's turning 90. The market has been pulling back into the middle of the week and then recovering most of the losses into the end of the week. We'll see if that plays out again. It's Wednesday. We're pulling back a little bit. Off the highs that we saw earlier this morning. Something to keep an eye on is the VIX. I've been watching the VIX for a while. And the VIX is putting in a nice short-term head and shoulders topping pattern. Look at that. There's a left shoulder ahead, a right shoulder. Pulling back, would not be surprised to see us end at last 2 Fridays ago's low, just around 12 on the VIX. The rate rampage. Look at the bond market. Been pulling back, but saw a sharp recovery yesterday at the lows. We'll see if this turns into something more than just a bounce. If you look from a longer term perspective, the 20-year bond treasury fund, the TLT, starting to work its way back up. The former support broke right through it, came right through long-term trendline support. We'll see if it comes up, gives it a kiss goodbye before heading down to about 112, which would imply higher interest rates. The rate rampage, the tapered talk. There's a name for everything these days, but the bottom line is this market is heading higher, still trending to the upside, broke back into this wedge, but still looks poised to break to new record highs. Zillow reported earnings after the bell yesterday, had an initial bump up to this line here at about 104 before pulling back. Looks to open flat. We'll see if this gets a boost over 100, though, as the trading session moves on today. And one more stock I want to look at is Tesla. We're getting right up against long-term trend line resistance. We can see if we break through it this morning. Actually, Tesla's up a couple dollars, right about 247. This would negate a possible looming head and shoulders long-term topping pattern. And I think that would put in focus a $300, $350 move into the summer. It's the Morning Market Minute, UPBOptionMillionaires.com. I'll see you in the chat room. Everyone have a great trading session. Goodbye.